This customer just dropped off her violin for some fairly major work, and we opened up the case and noticed these loose horse hairs sitting below the bow, and that means one thing, carpet beetles or bow beetles. And while some suggest putting everything out in the sunlight and that'll take care of everything, and it does help, but it doesn't necessarily kill them. Sometimes it drives them away a little bit and then right back, or they climb into the corners and hide. The best way is to fumigate. The way it's done is to just take ordinary paper towels. I prefer the Bounty narrower strips, and I've used yellow and the red Raid. Either one works just fine, but Raid seems to be the best. And you spray fairly liberally, maybe a little bit more than that, onto the folded over paper towels. Then put a fresh set of paper towels around it. Make sure everything goes back into the case and set it like that, and the fumes go all through the inside of the case, and this just helps prevent staining anything. And so close it up, and then realize you don't know where those little beetles are. They may be crawling their way in, they may be hiding in a corner or not get enough spray to kill them. And so the next step is to take a cardboard box and spray inside of it very liberally, all the way around. And put everything inside of it. Just a little tape to hold it shut. And let it sit overnight. The next morning, you see how we did. There's still quite a smell to it all, and just let that air out for the next day or so. And oh, there we are. If you look around closely, you can usually see little dead carcasses. And now you can take it out into the sunlight, vacuum it out, and feel good about it.